During edit sewing class, this topic was left out from discussion since we don't know its objective. Next we have add point to pattern on start and end. Till now I haven't learned the objective of these options. But now we know that. So we will tell you about it today. Hello guys, welcome back to Iteration. Myself Muskan, your mentor. Here on this channel, we teach you about 3D design software and many other things related to fashion which can help you in future. Now let's join us in our today's class. I have opened this file for that. We will zoom in on our skirt. Here we have applied two swing on single portion. One is attached with underskirt and other one is attached to the top. So now our task is to add start and end point of the portion attached with top. You might be thinking it's really simple and all we have to use is add point or edit tool for this. But when we will select edit tool or any other point tool, our guideline will disappear. Here we already have one point ready, but another point is still missing. For that, you have to use our option from edit sewing tool called add point to pattern on start or end. By the help of sewing tools this mark, we can understand that we have starting point but ending point is missing. So we will right click over it and select add point to pattern on end. Right now, you won't see major difference, but when you will deselect this tool, you will get to know that now we have ending point as well, which is the length of our one portion. Similarly, here we have end point but starting point is missing. So we will select start from here. By this way, you can add point wherever you need. This is really simple option, but I don't know why it took so much time for us to understand it. Maybe the difference is too small for me to notice. This is all for today's class. If this video has helped you, press like button, and if you are new to our channel, do subscribe it and press the bell icon if you don't want to miss any future tip, trick and tutorial. Till then, keep creating. Bye.